Hello everybody. Welcome to the live stream. In this live stream, I'm going to be working on the beach level, and I'm going to be polishing the beach level, and I'm going to start on the winter level. So, firstly, I added a main menu. So, if I go here, then there's start and exit. The exit should take me out. It's not working, but I'm not sure if that works in edit, but while playing it through Unity. I think it might only work when it's downloaded or on WebGL. It might not even work on WebGL, but so if you press start, it goes into level select, and then there's tutorial, the forest, the jungle, the wasp, the beach, and the winter. And then I can go to any level. Let's say the wasp, and then I'm at the wasp level. This music is way too loud, but you get the gist. So you can go to, again, maybe the jungle level, and then you're at the jungle level. Then I added a pause menu, and then you can resume, or you can go back to main menu. So, yeah. And this is the beach level so far. What I added to the beach level is I didn't add much. I just added these decorational seaweeds on top of the below the flowers, near the flowers. So, because like, why are the flowers in the sea? It doesn't really make sense. And I added some grass next to this flower, again, to make it make more sense. Because if it's just a flower on sand, it doesn't really make sense. And then I changed the pink bounce platforms with balloons, as you can see here. So if I play the level, you can see that there's balloons instead of just pink bounce pads. And also, I changed the code. So if I go to scripts, player movement, I changed it so that the jump button is W and the double jump button is W, and both jump buttons are the same button, because I've gotten a lot of criticism on just that double jump and jump are different keys when they should be the same key because it's easier. So, and now everything lines up with WASD, which is the main setup for most games. The main setup. The main, not setup, keys for movement keys. But I just had an idea of changing, like just now, like literally just now, of you could also use the arrow keys. to move. So I should make the down arrow key. I should make the down arrow key the dive, and then the up arrow key the double jump, or the jump. I'm just going to start saying jump, the jump. So the arrow keys also. So that's all the changes I've made to the game so far. And then this is the beach level so far. So the boat is sinking. And this is the music. I cooked this up. Why did I say cooked? I made this yesterday. So this is the music. And then it's going to loop one more time. And then it'll go to this melody. And then the motif for the beach level is going to come up. And that's the end. So why the motif for the beach level is coming is because the beach level is the last level, and if I play this, you can see that the winter level ends up at the end of the beach level. So if I play, let me just play the beach level real quick, so you can see what I'm talking about. So yeah, if you haven't seen the beach level before this, this is what it looks like so far. Okay, I think those hitboxes are way too big, but And then at the end, you're here at the winter level. Then the boat sinks and everything has turned to ice. And it's kind of weird now in hindsight that an entire season has passed within the 5 seconds of the 2 seconds of the player transitioning to the next level. But this is just a silly little B game. I'm not going to think too hard about that. So you can see that the end is the start, and the end of the beach level is the start of the winter level. So that's why it has the motif. And then all I have after that is this. So that's what we're going to do in this live stream. Add some more stuff. So what enemies would be in a winter level? Maybe snowflakes? Oh no, ice cubes that when they reach the snow, they turn into water maybe? Speaking of ice cubes, I have some ideas for some ice-related puzzles in this level. So one idea I had is so there's water here, right? And since the player is a bee, they can't cross this because the water kills them because they're a bee. So the puzzle idea I have is you move an ice cube to the water, and then when the ice cube reaches the water, when the ice cube collides with the water, this section of water will turn to ice. And then the player can walk on it, because bees can't walk on water, but they can walk on ice, right? So that's the idea I had. So just for a prototype, I'm going to get a square, give it a box collider, and give it a rigid body. And color it blue-ish. Just for a prototype. I might add a better sprite. I know this looks very prototype-ish. Then name it ice. So if we go into the game, You can move the ice there, and then when it touches the water would turn into ice. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate this water from the actual water, because it's going to have a different property. And then just do that. So that's the water. And then instead of enemy attack, instead of enemy attack, I'm going to copy all of this and then make a new script called water attack. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make an on collision that just tells that deletes the script. So when the ice cube, I'm going to make a tag for the ice cube, and then when that tag collides with the script's parent, the script should delete. Then just change this to water attack. Then make a new if statement. If collision.compare tag ice delete the script. I'm not exactly sure how to delete the script without deleting the water. Does anybody in chat know how to do that? Because I don't know how to delete the script without deleting the water. Does anybody in chat know how? Okay, I assume that's a no. So what I'm going to do, be right back. Okay, I'm back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use ChatGPT. So go here. How do I delete a script in Unity without deleting its parent? It thinks I meant an edit. I mean, ChatGPT thinks an edit. So I'm just going to say in the script. Okay, now, you're giving feedback on a new version of ChatGPT. Which response do you prefer? Responses may take a moment to load. If you want to remove a script component from a game object pragmatically, you can use the destroy method in Unity. Here's how to do it. Example code. Using Unity engine. Public blah 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 blah. Explanation. An explanation. Then to remove a script from a game object via another script in Unity, you can use the destroy I kind of like this response better, but what y'all feeling? Response 1 or response 2? I'll make a poll. Alright, in my opinion, I kind of like response 1 more, so I'll pick that. How do I remove the same script itself? No, how do I turn off the same script, not delete it? This dot enabled. That was a very simple solution. That was an extremely simple solution. and then debug.log script disabled. And that's it. That was way simpler than I expected it to be. So now let's check the errors. Oh, that was also this is way simpler than I thought. And then now all we have to do is make a new tag called ice. And then put it on ice. And then all we have to do is get water 2, remove enemy attack. Make damage 3. And then play. Then go down. Now, if we go to the water now, it kills. But then, if we put ice in it, wait, what happened? Okay, there's nothing in the console. There's no debugs. So it must have not detected it. Maybe because it's an is trigger. So again, very simple solution. All we have to do is make this an is trigger, turn that off. That's all we have to do. These are very simple solutions. But it still kills me. Why does it still kill me? It's not supposed to kill me anymore. Why? Oh, but oh no. I just got a better idea. What if you use the ice to get across?
It's 3 o'clock.
So this is tagged ice though. But we still have to I still have to figure out why isn't it turning off? It's this dot enabled. So it's if collision dot compare tag ice. 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 It's spelled correctly. Then this.enabled equals false. Debug.log script disabled. Still nothing in the console. So that's strange. And wait, did I put it on the wrong? Okay, no. I just forgot to swap the script. That's the reason it's not working. Water attack and water attack. And actually, this script shouldn't have water attack because it's not going to do anything. It has is trigger off. Then damage equals 3. So now I want to change the color to ice when it reaches there. So in the player health script, I think that changed it. That changed the color of the player. So I can source from that. So sprite rend dot color new color. And then sprite. All I need to do, where's sprite rend? Private sprite renderer sprite rend. So water attack. Then just copy that. And then in awake, sprite rend equals get component sprite renderer. No, in awake. Not almost made a mistake there. And then we can exit that. Never mind, we still need it. And then before this dot enabled equals false, sprite rend dot color equals new color, and then we'll plug in an ice value, the value of the ice. So now we can stop using that. Then if we go into ice, it's R, G, and B. So for reference, it's probably going to be a bluer version of the ice. So like this, more of this. And then we can just copy those numbers. So 173. The next one is 244. Next one is 255. And then the next one is 255. But, oh! The reason it's not debug.logging is because the script is disabled before it can log it. I think that is becoming iconic at this point. At this point, is like a live stream standard. Like I'm going to have a at some point in the live stream. What? Why is that not working? Okay, the script was disabled. That's strange, though. Why wouldn't it? There's no sprites in here. This has is trigger. That's strange. Why isn't this working? Does anybody in chat? I think I've said it. Never mind. Yeah, that's strange. It's real strange. Why isn't it? Oh, the reason the color isn't changing. I'm just going to turn this to 0. Now let's see if the color is even changing. But it still attacks you. And this water isn't. Okay, I don't know why that's not working, though. Let me try it again. Maybe because the water with the enemy attack script was near that or something, so it overlapped. Okay, that's still. Why isn't it working then? Yeah, that's strange. I don't know why that's not working. If it changed, why isn't it working? That's not. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, wait. let me check the water when I touch it. So when that touches that, goes over there. Now pause it. If I go to water 1. Oh, it's because... Man, I forgot to take out the enemy attack script. Okay, now it should work. But let's see. Bro! Why is it still not working? Bro! Bro! Why is it still there? Bro. Okay, now I'm just going to check this script. Because it shouldn't still be there. Okay, let's see. Sprite rend. And this dot enabled equals false. Do y'all know why this is happening? But I'm going to check the example ChatGPT showed me. Okay, this dot enabled equals false. Why isn't this working? It shouldn't not work. What? Bro. Okay, I have no idea why that's not working. That's like the cookie cutter example. That's this dot enabled. I'm just going to check it exactly, okay? This dot enabled equals false. This dot enabled equals false. Do I need to change it to thorn or something? What's going on? Only linguists will understand that joke. That's a language joke I just said there. Okay, this dot enabled equals false. What? The falsing ain't falsin'. The floss ain't flossin'. Where was I going with that? Okay, that... Oh, it's because it's in a trigger enter 2D, not on collision enter 2. Oh, that's why it's not working. I go void on collision, enter 2D collision. That's why it's not working. That's why it's not working. I figured it out. I have a moment like that, and that's an it's like a live stream standard for this channel at this point. I do that almost every live stream. I kid you not. So if I figured it out, I got it. Wait, what? Collision? If collision dot compare tag ice sprite void bro. If collision dot compare tag ice, is it supposed to be a capital collision? What? Oh, collision.game object. Oh, game is supposed to be lowercased. Now, at long last, does it hold up. What? Why did the camera just... What happened to the camera? Why did the camera just get small? Bro. Oh. Okay. What I was finna say. Okay, now, finally, at long last, does it work? Why is water attack still there? Water attack should have been deleted. Oh, wait, no. That wasn't deleted. Why is it not deleted? I mean... Bro, this is heinous. This is a heinous act of villainy. This is despicable. This, I have no idea where I was going with that. I should probably take care of these bugs because they're multiplying by the second. But okay. Going back to water attack. This dot enabled equals false. Why isn't it disabling? This has the ice tag. Should I make it a trigger? There. Now does it work? It's not falling through. It's not falling through the floor, so that's a good sign. Okay. Now. Why? 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 Why is it still there? What? Tell me why. I doubt the color is the reason it's not working, but I'm just going to try everything. Bro. Bro. Why does it still not work? Okay, to be honest, I'm probably just tired and my brain can't wrap my head around this, but I'm still going to try to fix this. Okay, does anybody in chat know why the script isn't disabling? So yeah, that's strange. That's real strange. Well, it's time to consult ChatGPT. Yoli. Never mind. What's y'all opinion about using ChatGPT to help you code? Because I don't think it's a bad thing unless you understand it. Because if you're just using ChatGPT to just give me the code and then copy and paste it into your script, that's not very helpful. You're not learning anything. But if you look at the code and then understand it, then it's what I think it's not wrong. If you're actually understanding the code instead of just seeing the code and then copying it and pasting it and not even knowing what it does. How does dividing by I wonder how ChatGPT gets it into these fonts. Oops. Okay, it's still not working, and I have no idea why not. So right now, I'll just focus on a different idea for the mechanic. So instead of having one ice block, you have 3. And then you have to use these. Where did the water go? Oh. Oh. Wait, what if I make it a decimal? Ah. Man. Okay, why does it only damage you one time now? Okay, now that that's fixed, this is a different idea for a puzzle. So you have 3 ice blocks. And then you have to move the ice blocks to the water to pass the water to get over it. So it would work like that. Never mind. I have made a grave mistake. Okay, now they should float on top of the water. Yeah. But now I realize you can also just double jump across the water, so that's not good. Also, I just noticed that the dive sound is a little louder than the rest of the sound effects, so I might need to lower down the volume of the dive. And now I'm going to make them the ground tag. So we can stand on them without having. So I can stand on them and then I can double jump again. Or I could just jump again. And at this point, I don't think we need 3 of them. But maybe we do, so. Hiya! And now this got stuck. That should give you just enough distance to cross. I have to make a system where you can't soft lock yourself, though. Isabella. Isabella just joined. All right. So I have to make it so you can't put it in there, and then you soft lock yourself, and now you can't pass. So I need to figure some way out to not, so the player can't do that.
Ball. Circle.
Instead of making it a, or, you know what I could do? Instead of making it a box collider, I'm going to make it a circle collider. And then the circle collider can roll, and then the player can get the square out. Because it's easy to get it out of to stop it, because you can just roll it out of the way. But now it rolls. Now it's probably going to be hard to move on it. And this is extremely slow. So I'm just going to make it its angular drag, like angular drag, like 8. I'm not sure if that's going to make it roll faster though, but okay, no, all that did was make it bouncy. And shook the screen? How did it shake the screen? Okay, that didn't work. That didn't work. Maybe I should make the linear drag 8. Or make both 8. No, that made it floaty. No ice cube on Earth is floaty. Or at least that I know of. I've never seen a floaty ice cube. So maybe I should make its gravity scale less high? Would that work? I'm just trying things. You have to try things. That just made it fly for some reason. It's not really supposed to just fly, but okay. Oh, okay. What? I expected it to just instantly go down to the ground. I didn't expect it to fly. Like I'm on moon. Moon rock, moon ice cube. Now I can get across. But now let's just try to get across normally without using the ice cube. So I can see if the ice cube even does anything. Yep, no, you can do this by yourself. You don't need the ice cube's help. Oh, but you know what I can do? No. Okay. What I could do is make a wall here. You need the ice cube. Oh no, I could make the ice cube roll already on the water. And then you need to roll it, then you need to jump, but then you need to use it to get past the wall. So it's not slow, but it's also not. So it also makes sense. But you can't really get that much gravity like that. Can't really get that much gravity when the floor is basically just poison and your only option when the floor is poison and you're 2 inches away from death and it's kind of hard to roll a ball. You know. But you know what could happen? So you roll it, and then it meets you up there, and then there's a wall there. Maybe. But I think that might just be too complicated, and people who's playing the game won't know what to do. How are they supposed to know you roll the ball and then you meet it up at the end? What? Who are you? Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no, what happened? Oh no! Oh no! It's too non-gravity. Oh no. 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 No, this can't be. That is not a circle. Those are just a bunch of tiny lines. That's not a circle. That's not a circle. They lied. They lied to us. All right. Anyway. So now to actually make the wall. You know what I could do? I could just copy the ice and then remove the rigid body. And then change this to a box collider. That's literally all I have to do. So make it just tall enough that the player can't reach it. Or make it that you throw the ice cube up and then but here, then it goes there, and then you go here, and then that's about where you land. So right there. So that's how long the pole should be. Just enough so the player can't jump on it alone, but with this, it can. I mean, he can. I mean, then you do that, and there is just enough for you to reach it. But really, I think this is all way too complicated, and what I should really do is just move that over there. And it cuts out like 90% of the process. So now, finally, after 85 minutes, this is what I made. That took 85 minutes. 85 minutes! Just for that. Well, really, it wasn't 85 minutes of just making that. It was really probably less, but I spent so much time doing other things until I got to there, and then the final total outcome would be 85. But I should probably add a boat right here. You can soft lock yourself again if you just move the circle over to there. I should probably make a script so that if it touches the water, it just comes back there, so you can't soft lock yourself. But firstly, I'm going to drink some water. Three people just willingly listen to me drink some water. I'm saying that in every live stream. X amount of people just willingly, like, I'm saying things like every live stream at this point. So, new folder, ice, and then new script, go back to ice, reset. But before that, I'm going to add a boat. Now I'm going to add it. So, ice and ice reset. Now, how do I reference the position of an object in a Unity script? Does anybody in chat know how to reference the position of an object in a Unity script and then change it?
Historic light.
I assume that's a no. I assume that's a no. So, ChatGPT, do I reference the position of an object in a Unity script? Now, private void on collision, enter 2D collision. Again, strange. I don't see any instances where I didn't add a semicolon. Now, bro! Bro! What? Okay, let me check the water to see if it has... Oh no, it has the tag of ground. Should have enemy. Now, it should come back like a boomerang. Not like a boomerang, but it's a simile, not an adjective. Come on, bro. Bro. I put it in the awake. I put it inside of the awake. It shouldn't update every second. I'll just make the current x 0.014012. It finally works. Maybe. Maybe. All right. Now. Okay, I think I made it too floaty. Why does it still not work? Bro, does this even... Oh. That... I didn't even remember to add it onto the ice. Bro. I didn't even add it. I didn't even add it. Yes. Yeah, I made it way too floaty because it shouldn't go all the way to the other side of the water. It shouldn't be that floaty. I'm going to knock it down to a 0.2 because it shouldn't be that floaty. Like really humanly, it shouldn't be that floaty. And now it's over there, and I've created an infinite loop. So now, bring it over there, jump, and then you jump over that. I did it. So yeah, I think I'm going to add the boat, and then I'm going to be done with this stream. So, water level, go to the water level, the beach. Then copy one of these boats, this one. Then go to the winter level, put that right there. Rename it to 4. Then put it into the boats. Put it over here. Then get the boat movement positions. Rename this to boat 4. And get left. Rename this to left boat 4. And left right boat 4. Then move it accordingly. Then move it accordingly. And then I don't even have to change it. Oh wait, no, I do. 4. Right, left boat 4, and right boat 4. All right. I'm going to elevate the 4th boat because it should not be currently sinking. I think this game is coming along well, though. I know 90% of it is prototype art, but I'm still pretty proud of it. Oh. What? No! Wait a minute. It went down a bit. So following this logic, can I make the boat fly? Wait a minute. Wait. I can just make the boat fly. This is insane. But that's not realistic. And it shouldn't be, but it makes no sense, so. Okay, I'm going to make the Y position the exact same. Like, the exact same. Oh, no! The Y position, the exact same. So no matter the never mind. So the Y position, the Y position, the Y position, the exact same. Wait. No. Okay, like I said, the Y position, the exact same. The Y position, the Y position, the exact same. Now, it should work. Then you reach that. And now it's even harder to soft lock yourself. Because number one, it's a ball. You can still soft lock yourself, but number one, it's a ball. Under the hood, it's a ball. Number two, there's a boat there. Number three, it returns when it hits water. So now it's very hard to soft lock yourself. I'm going to change the title because I didn't really polish the beach level. But it's too late now. Yeah, I've been live streaming for a long time. I've been live streaming for almost 2 hours now. So I think I might end it. Yeah. But be right back though. All right. Yeah. I'm back. And yeah, I'm going to end the live stream. I've been streaming for like an hour. So I'm going to end the live stream now because I've been live streaming for way too long. I mean, not way too long, but I've been live streaming for a long time, so I'm going to end it.